Let's see another LeetCode popular problem. It's daily temperatures. We'll understand the problem. Before that, we'll see which company asked this question. So this is the list of the companies they asked the question. Let's understand the question and then we'll solve this problem. And this is a stack related problem, so we'll use a stack to solve this problem. So saying it's daily temperatures. So here, if you see these temperatures, we need to find out, like, this is the temperature 73 and in the next day 74. So we want to know how many days it takes to go from 73 to 74, some higher temperature. So it's take 1 day. So that's why we have the answer here 1. And for 74, again from 74 to 75, it takes 1 day. So that's why the answer is 1 here. And if you check this, so 75, and from 75 we want to see some higher temperature, then the 76 is higher, then from 75 it takes 1 2 3 4, so that's why we have the 4. And again from 71, if you see some higher is 72, so it takes 2 days, so that's why there is a 2 here, and like this. And from 73, or maybe from here like 76, there is nothing, so that's why it's a 0. And from 73 there is no higher temperature given, so that's why it's a 0. So that's what we need to find out in this problem. So the way I'm going to solve is going to use the technique stack here. So first of all, I will talk about this algorithm here, but let's first take this example and then we'll come back here again. So I'll create the stack, and in a stack I'll put the item one by one, all the item. So I'll put the item 1, and the next item, when I put the next item, then I will check first I'll check this 74 is greater than the stack item, because we already have put one item in a stack, and this item is greater than a stack item. So here and in a stack, like when I said let's put this item, then put this item and also put this index also. So 73 and index is 0. And when I get this item 74, index is 1, and this is greater, so this is greater, then I will remove this from a stack, and I know index is 0, so, and this index is 1, so 1 minus 0 is 1, and that's where I'm going to put that in a result, and a result at the index 0, and this 0 index is nothing but this index what we put in a stack. So we are done with this. Now 74, we already moved from the stack, we put the 74 again in a stack, and then we'll move to the 75. We'll check again. So, okay, 75 is greater than 74. Okay, if it is greater than 74, then I will remove this, and I will check this index. This index is 0 1 2 2, and this index is 1, so 2 minus 1 1. So I'll put that 1, and from the index whatever I got from the stack for this item, so 1 index, that's a 1 is answer. So like this, I come to the 71, and then okay, we added 75, we removed the 74, and again 75 is added in a stack. So for 75 we need 4. So in order to update 4, first we calculate inner things and then we'll come back 4. But anyways, so we came to the 75, and that's that item added in a stack. 71 is not greater than, will not do anything. Just add 71 also in a stack. 69 is also not greater than the previous item or top item in a stack. I'll just add there. Then I will check 72. So 72 is greater than the previous item, this one. So 72 is greater than this, then I will check the index for this, and this index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 and this is the 5th index. So at the 5th index, it takes just a 1 day. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. This is the 5th index and this is the 4th. So 5 minus 4, 1. So 1 should be at 4th index. 1, 2, 3, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we updated this one. So we updated this one, and again we'll remove this item from a stack, and again we'll see the okay, 72 is greater than 71, and we have already saved this index in a stack. So we'll calculate for this. So again from this index and minus this index, and we can update the output. So in this way we'll get the result. So that's why here in algorithm I'm saying and add every items in a stack. I'm going to write exactly the same logic. So first step, add every item in a stack. So we'll do that. Let's do that first. Then we'll come back and we'll do. Okay, so I'll create the stack here. Okay, I need this functionality here. And I'll put this comment here. Okay, so I want to store this item and index in a stack, so that's why I'm just going to create one struct, and that is called item, and it's a struct. Then this value, so for this value I'll just give the value, or just say val, that's val is fine. That's int, and then index, that's also int. And here we'll create a stack. So in a Golang, the way we create the stack is list.new. Let me make it a stack. Created this, and also we need to return some output. So that's it's just a result, and it's a array, and this should be the length of temperatures. Okay, that's the result, and at the end we can return result. We need to fill the result. Let's iterate this temperature. So for I0, I less than length of temperatures, and I plus plus. Okay, that's good. And now we get the item. Let's put that in a stack. We create a stack here. So stack dot pushback. Okay, we need to post this item, so we need to prepare the item here. So let me prepare the item in this for loop. Item val. So val is temperatures I, that's a val, and then there's index. So index is I. So we put that, and this item we want to put in a stack. So the first thing we'll do, step 1, add every items in a stack with its index. So that's what we did. Second thing is when next item comes, so in a for loop, when next item comes, before pushing to the stack, if the stack is not empty, so we need to check the condition in a for loop. We need another for loop here where we can check if stack dot length not equal to 0. So that's one condition we'll do. And then other one, if a stack is not empty, get top item from the stack. So if it is not empty, then we'll get the top item from the stack. So we added, like, let's say 73. First it came here, and the next time we got the 74. So before pushing this 74, we first check the top item in a stack, and that is a 73. So we want to get this item back. So I'm just saying top element and that is stack back dot value. So this is element, and this is an interface. So I need to convert this. So I can just say top item here, and now we get the final data here, top element, and this type is item. Where we prepare the item here. Oh, that's a pointer, so we need to put the pointer here. So we got the top item. Okay, so get the top item from a stack. Now we check if the new item greater than a stack. So the new item, that is, we are here, and that's the new item. And if this item is greater than a stack top item, this 73. So we'll check the condition if this temperatures I, that is our, here in this case 74, is greater than, if it is greater than top item dot val, this val. If greater than that, or I can just say if it's greater than that, then I can add this logic. Or maybe if it is not greater than that, I can just break. So maybe I can just say and break from here, and then it will continue. If not break, if it is greater than item, then we continue the other piece of logic. So in other piece of logic, get the index and value from the stack. So if it is, it will break, but if it is not greater, then it will break. But if it is greater, then we need to remove the item from the stack. And this is not removing the item, this is just getting the top item. So in a way to remove the item from the stack is this one, and I can say stack dot remove stack back. And this way, actually this will remove the item. Actually in the first this will just get the item, but this will remove, because I know the 74 is greater than this. Then if it is because if it is not the case, it will break from the for loop, but this is not the case. 74 is greater than 73, so that's why we remove the top item, that is 73, from a stack. So you remove that 73, and we got here. Now next thing is we have the index for this. So our result is this index, so that is I minus item, that is top item dot ind. So that is our result for this place. So for this place is, we know the index for this is top index, this is the index. So I'll update that in a result. So I'll go to the result and put it here, and this is the result. We updated the result. So that's all. And then we have result will be current index minus index from the top item from stack. Okay, so let's run it. Accepted, submit. That's good. So let's see Java solution also. And here is the code. I created the item val and ind, and same logic here. I have created the stack here and checking if stack is not empty and the temperature is greater than top item, then we do this logic here and update the result. Otherwise just keep adding the item here. So that's all for now. Thank you.